Oh my goodness, it is definitely time for a deep conditioning. Look at my hair. Look at all these flyaways. It is time for a deep conditioner. Well, let me show you how I deep condition my hair. We're going to use the Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. Any real mayonnaise will work. This is just what I use. We're going to use honey. I'm going to use 2 eggs, but it's going to be the yolks. Maybe 2 or 3 heaping spoonfuls, depending on how much hair you have. I'm going to do 2. See, when you spread it out, it covers up the bottom. If you can see how much I have in there. For my eggs, I'll put them in this container. I like to use a knife. Now for me to get the yolks out, I'll use an empty water bottle, not necessarily Deer Park, but any water bottle. Squeeze it, put it on the yolk, and let it suck it in. See that? And it sucks it right in. I put the yolk in here. Now for the honey, I recommend 1/4 of a cup. But since I don't measure anything, it's about 1/4 of a cup. And you just mix. And when you mix it, if you see you need more mayonnaise, put more mayonnaise in there. Because this is a good facial also. The egg beater always get it to mix better. Me, I like this yellowy consistency, and it's kind of runny. I'm telling you, this is going to be messy. I'm going to add more mayonnaise because I'm going to use this concoction on my whole body, not just my hair. So I'm going to use 1 more heaping scoop. Alright, I'm going to make it 2. Now I'm going to use this as a deep conditioning, as a deep protein conditioning for my hair. And then I'm also going to use it as a body mask to smooth and soften my skin. We're going to be using our deep protein conditioner homemade, because we're not buying anything else. I mean, seriously, I'm balling on a budget over here, folks. So this is my mayonnaise, honey, and egg yolk mix. We're going to get an empty spray bottle. We're going to put water in that because we're just going to dampen the hair. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb it out a little bit. You know, we start in sections, so I'm just going to detangle a little bit. Okay. We done combed it out. Gonna spray it with some water just to get it damp. I'm doing one section at a time. Me, I like to do 2 sections to start and 4 sections if it becomes a little overwhelming. I'm just gonna dig into it and get moving. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to do it like I'm greasing my scalp. I mean, you really don't need that much. Make sure you get those ends good. Then I just twist it up, put it in a Bantu knot. See how juicy it is? So please, be in the bathroom. Same thing on the other side. Water. Put this on, and then I go clean the house. I'm gonna leave this on for about 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I'll clean my house from top to bottom to get ready for the week. I shall return. We're gonna wash out our deep conditioning. Can you see the tightness of the curls, how they actually popping and shiny and soft? Alright, here are my results. This is the first day hair, so you know it's kind of tight. For the second day hair, what I'll do is I'll just put this in a plait. Thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there in the corner. Hit the notification button because I will be uploading a video every week, hopefully. That's not easy. Seriously, uploading a video every week is proven to be really difficult. So bear with me as I try to upload a video every week. Wow. You YouTubers, you are super people, superhuman strength, working, children, family, and you too. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to upload a video every week. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Bye, hair lovers.